Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn on notifications for new messages on Facebook using your PC. If you're like many of us, staying connected with friends and family through Facebook Messenger is a big part of your daily routine. However, sometimes these notifications can be missed if they're not properly set up. Let's walk through the simple steps to ensure you never miss a message again. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a few icons there, including the Messenger icon. Click on it to open the Messenger panel. Now, you'll see a list of your recent conversations and a few options to manage your Messenger experience. Look for the three dots icon, which usually represents more options or settings. Click on this icon to reveal additional settings. In the drop-down menu, you'll find several options related to how Messenger behaves on your PC. One of these options is Enable Pop-up New Messages. This setting allows new messages to appear as pop-ups on your screen, ensuring you're notified immediately when someone sends you a message. To enable this feature, simply click on Enable Pop-up New Messages. This will prompt your browser to ask for permission to show notifications. Make sure you click Allow when prompted, as this is necessary for the pop-ups to work. By following these steps, you'll be able to stay on top of all your conversations without having to constantly check the Messenger panel. This feature is especially useful if you're working on other tasks and want to be notified instantly when someone messages you. In addition to enabling pop-up notifications, you might also want to check your browser settings to ensure that notifications are allowed for Facebook. Sometimes, browser settings can override app settings, so it's a good idea to double-check that notifications are enabled in your browser as well. That's it. With these simple steps, you'll be able to turn on pop-up notifications for new messages on Facebook using your PC. This will help you stay connected and ensure you never miss an important message again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.